had gone through a other builder, and we ended up having to back out of the loan and everything. When we got here with Woodside, I was pretty heartbroken because I kind of felt like, you know, I didn't know what was going to happen, if I was going to be able to purchase my home. They made the whole deal smooth, the whole loan. I mean, I was approved instantly. I mean, everything was just wonderful with them. You know, you think of a dream home, you think of big, you think of, and just when we seen it, I was like, I really like this one. I do. So to finally come into your home after, you know, going through whatever we had to go through with the other company, and this company making it so good for us, so smooth. When I came in here, it was really emotional. I felt like this is it. This is our place. I knew Woodside was the place for us, for our dream home.